OnePlus 11 Pro specs have been revealed ahead of the phone's release in Q1 2023. The phone will arrive with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which Qualcomm is expected to announce later this year. OnePlus 11 Pro specifications include a 6.7-inch QHD AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a punch hole cutout for the selfie snapper. It comes with triple camera, which includes a 50 megapixels primary sensor, a 48 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 32 megapixels 2x telephoto camera and 16 megapixels front camera housed in the hole punch cutout for selfies and video 8K resolution. The flagship will support up to 100-watt fast charging and 5000 mAh battery. The device to be offered with up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The base model is likely to offer 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, Hasselblad cameras, and Dolby Atmos. Connectivity options like 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a USB Type-C port, and should run on Android 13 out of the box. Please like, subscribe and share for more upcoming mobile updates and specifications.